Queries. A query is a question asked from the database. A query is made on a table and the result of a query is also displayed in the form of a table. The query can involve a single table or multiple tables to answer a question about data. Here we will be working with a simple query based on a single table. You can click the Create tab to view and use the commands related to queries.
There are two methods of creating a query, through Query Wizard and through the query design.
We will use the table Employee Salary as shown below to create queries. Creating a query using Query Wizard. If you want to create a query using the Query Wizard, follow the steps given below. First, click Query Wizard in the Queries group on the Create tab. Second, the new query dialog box appears. Select Simple Query Wizard and click on OK. Third, Simple Query Wizard screen 1 of 3 appears. In the Tables or Queries box, select the table that contains your data and then add the fields that you want to see in the query results.
Make use of the arrows as shown in the figure to add or remove fields.
To add a field, select it in the Available Fields list and then click or just double-click it. You can remove fields by selecting them in the Selected Fields list and click on Next after selecting the fields. Fourth, Simple Query Wizard screen 2 of 3 appears. Select Detail or Summary and click on Next. Fifth, Simple Query Wizard screen 3 of 3 appears. Type a query name in the text box, select Open the query to view information and click on Finish. The query result will appear in Datasheet view. Creating a query using Query Design. To create a query in Query Design, follow these steps. First, click Query Design in the Queries group on the Create tab. Second, the Show Table dialog box appears where you will choose Tables. Click the table on which you wish to run a query and then click on Add or just double-click the table. You can repeat this step to add several related tables. Third, click on Close when you finish adding the tables. Fourth, the Query Design screen appears. Here you will select the fields to be included in the query by using one of the following ways. Double-click the field, it will be placed in the first vacant column of the grid. Or, click the field and drag it to the required column in the grid. Or, type the field name directly in the required column in the grid. Double-click the asterisk to include all the columns of the table. Notice the grid with the selected fields in the following screenshot. Fifth, Access allows you arrange the fields in the order you want them in the query results. To change the order, select the entire column and drag it to the new position. Sixth, to hide one or more columns, clear the Show checkbox for those columns. Look at the figure given below. The checkbox is cleared for the Employee Salary field. Seventh, choose the field to sort by and choose ascending or descending from the corresponding sort box. For example, here we have chosen Employee Department Number as the sort field and ascending as the sorting option. 8th, in the criteria of Employee Salary field, type greater than or equal to 50,000 so that only the records of employees having a salary equal to or greater than 50,000 are displayed. Running a query. After adding all the fields, click Run in the Results group on the Design tab. The output for the query will be displayed as shown in the following screenshot. To close the query, click in the Query Design screen. Saving a query. Following are the two ways of saving a query. Click File tab and select Save in the menu that opens, or click the Save button on the Quick Access toolbar. When you save a query for the first time, a Save As dialog box appears. Type the query name and click on OK.